Welcome back to 152 Projects, everybody. This project is about getting this welder going. I'm going to make a saddle to transport the tank from the welding shop to here, and well, tag along for the adventure. First thing I want to do is cut me out a 16-inch piece. I'll be making 2 of these. Now we cut these. Okay, so we have this all set up for a 45-degree cut. I chose to clamp it down just to keep things a little more on the safe side. So now we have them cut in half. Next we flip them over like so. Also, I made a backing piece that's set right there to keep the tank bottom edge up against it, keep it from sliding out. Let's go ahead and put that in place too. Alright, so the other side is done off the camera. The other side is done. Let's finish it off with this side right here. So there's the cradle part for the tank. Now I'll take you out to the bed of the truck and show you how we mount this cradle down where it's not gonna be going all over the place. Well, there it is. All in good and secure. My tank is 4 foot long, 7 inches in diameter, and to make it fit in this bed, this is the jig I came up with, or the cradle I should say. It's not going nowhere. It might slip around a little bit, but it ain't going far. Actually, those back arms right there are adjustable, and I probably should slide it forward a little bit, but it's not going to hurt nothing. So all we got to do now is, when we put the tank in there, is run 2 ratchets going this way, and then 2 going around the tank, and we're secure. Disassemble it in pieces, 3-piece unit. This right across here is 1 piece. The actual cradle is a 2. Well, I guess you could say 4 pieces. And then those adjustable arms, I will just slide them forward and C-clamp them down to this edges right here until I'm ready to use them. Then I'll adjust them out. So there we go. A welding tank cradle for transport. Don't forget to tell a friend, hit like, subscribe, comment. I got challenged to get 1,000 subscribers, so it doesn't cost you nothing. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. I'd like to beat this challenge. All right, everybody, have a good one.